Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SmartThings how to install Edge driver. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To install an Edge driver on SmartThings, what you need to do is first head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in SmartThings and then tap on the app. Then once you're inside here, be sure that you have the latest version of the SmartThings. Then once you are done with that, tap on open. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then once you're inside here, tap on the settings on the top right corner of the screen. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this ask to add new devices, and then what you need to do is look for a section called Edge drivers or beta features. Then tap add device and scan nearby devices. Your app should automatically detect is compatible devices if they are powered on. Then follow the prompts to add your device. If the device requires an Edge driver, SmartThings will ask you to install the driver when adding it. After adding the device, navigate back to the settings, devices to see the installed device with the Edge driver. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.